First up, we have reselling. This involves finding unique and valuable items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online platforms, and then reselling them for a profit. It's a fantastic way to turn your eye for hidden treasures into a lucrative venture. Next on our list is flipping phones. With the constant release of new models, many people are looking to upgrade their smartphones. You can buy used phones at lower prices, refurbish them if needed, and sell them for a higher price, making a tidy profit in the process. Now let's talk about a classic side hustle, dog walking. If you're an animal lover and enjoy spending time outdoors, dog walking can be a rewarding and profitable gig. Many pet owners are busy and need someone reliable to take their furry friends for a walk. Another great side hustle is tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have expertise in a specific area, you can offer your knowledge and help students succeed. Tutoring can be done in person or online, providing flexible options to fit your schedule. Are you great with kids? Well, babysitting could be the perfect side hustle for you. Many parents are in need of trustworthy individuals to care for their children during evenings or weekends. Babysitting not only pays well, but also allows you to have fun and make a positive impact on young lives. Now let's talk about marketing. If you have a knack for promoting products or services, you can offer your marketing skills to businesses or startups. This can include social media management, content creation, or running advertising campaigns to help them reach a wider audience. Freelancing is a versatile side hustle that allows you to capitalize on your specific skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, web developer, or translator, freelancing platforms provide a gateway to connect with clients and offer your services on a project basis. Have a passion for fashion? Selling clothes can be a fantastic side hustle. You can declutter your own closet or source fashionable items from thrift stores or online marketplaces. Create an online store or utilize existing platforms to showcase and sell your curated collection. Affiliate marketing is a side hustle that lets you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You can partner with companies or join affiliate networks, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link or code, you earn a percentage of the sale. Lastly, let's explore day trading. While it requires some knowledge and research, day trading can be a lucrative side hustle for those interested in the stock market. You buy and sell stocks within the same day, aiming to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations. And there you have it, 10 side hustles that you can explore to boost your income. Remember, each side hustle has its own pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns with your interests, skills, and availability. Good luck on your side hustle journey.